Hi, welcome back. Let's see how to iterate over the collections. Okay, basically we can go with variety of ways to iterate over the collections. We'll see all those in this particular video. For example, let me try to create one list where it will contains integer values. I'll try to import from util package and I'm going to give the name as data equal to new array list. Okay, I'm trying to add data dot add of 1, data dot add of 2, data dot add of 3, data dot add of 4. Okay guys, I'm trying to basically print the data. It will provide a output in the form of some list 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Generally, I don't want to print them directly. I want to process them. Right? In order to process, you have to traverse over the list. Right? To traverse over the list, you can go with generally the basic for loop. I can take int I equal to 0 and I less than. So we have a method called size method, which you to find the size of the list. Right? So data dot size is there. I will try to increment and I am going to print it. System dot out dot println of, we have a method called get method is there, right? Data dot get of index you can able to pass. You can able to pass the index, then the respective data is going to be printed. If I am going to run it, you are going to be executed, right? So this is basically use simple file. Okay, this is one way. And in the previous videos, I have explained one particular way, that is you can go with the enhanced for loop, right? So which you might come across the idea, this one for each, right? Simply you can go with the system.out.println of that particular integer. This is the another way to iterate over the list. If I try to run it, you are going to get again 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So I'll go with only print so that you can get the idea. I will try to print in the next line. Right? So I will try to print next line. Next, third way is you can go with the iterable interface type, right? So in the previous videos, while I am explaining the collection hierarchy, I have explained the terminology of iterable interface. Basically, iterable interface used for to iterate over the entire collection, right? Which contains a method called Iterator abstract method, which is used for to iterate over the collection interface, right? So this, through this iterator I can able to iterate. Let me explain how to use this one, right? So basically where you want to iterate, I want to iterate over the data variable data dot iterator, and which will return, if I use I think control 1 assign statement to new local variable, if I press enter, automatically it will return iterable interface. What type of data it is? Integer. I'm going to make some naming like something f, right? So now through this f variable I can able to process it. So for example, while f has next, if there are next any next elements are there, I am going to simply enter into the loop and I will try to get it, right? So simply as like a scanner class f dot next, and then what is this value, I can able to assign it to integer I, and then I will try to print it dot println of I. This is the another way to print or to iterate over the list. I am going to run it. Yes, Have you got the data or not? And you can go with, it's not only writing with the help of while loop. Can I do it with the help of for loop? Yes, you can do it. See, observe where the initialization is done here in the while loop, you have did in the outside. Now in the for loop, initialization you have to do in the inside only, right? First parameter is initialization only. So I will try to copy the same thing, and this will be the initialization. And what will be the condition? Condition is this one. Is there any next elements are there or not? Yes. If it is there, it will allow into the loop. And third parameter, I am going to make it as empty. And then I am going to write simply like this. Enter inside this one, and it will try to print. So instead of F, I will go with J. J dot next. This will be the asterisk. If I try to run it again, you are going to get multiple times 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Instead of having the println, I will go with only print so that you can get. This is the fourth way, I think, right? So 4 times I have printed. So this is the fourth way of iterating over the collection, right? So, and there are some other advanced ways are there. Something like in Java 8 version we have Lambda expressions are there. Lambda expressions are there. Through that also we can do. So let me try to do it. To println, okay. Data dot for each of, which is going to consume, and I am going to pass some D, and I am trying to print this. I don't want to print in the right. If I try to run it, I'll get the output. Okay, similar. So see, observe how much length of the code is reduced. That is advantage of Lambda expressions, or we can say Lambda functions. Okay, I can go with another way as streams also. So first I will try to take the data and I will try to convert it into stream, and then I can apply for each again parameter is out of D. I will try to run it again. You are going to get the output, right? So first one is with help of simple for loop, and second one is enhanced for loop. Third one is through while with iterable interface, and fourth one is while with, sorry, it should be for with iterable interface, and this is Lambda expressions in Java 8, guys. This is Java 8. Okay, this one is Lambda expressions with streams. Okay, hope you understood how to iterate over the collections. Thank you.